Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you don't know me, my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. And in today's video, I will be unboxing my August Bellabox. So this Bellabox just came too early this month and it came like last week. And I just got time today to unbox this Bellabox. This month it came like this. I haven't seen myself any of the products, so I don't know why this box is like this. Oh, now I know. It says, what if you could reset your skin in one night? Introducing new overnight reset oil in serum. Wow, it's written here. My table is a mess in front of me here. I just finished recording one of the videos and like literally such a mess. And the box is as usual like this. So let's open, and the first thing I can see is this card. Is always it says beauty reset here and all the products price and details. Okay, the first product is this. Okay, it also has this 10% discount for this serum, and it also has this word search. Everyone gets what? I don't know. Have you guys done the word search? How to do it? I haven't watched any of the videos this month. So the first product is this Sand and Skies Australian Pink Clay Mask Exfoliating Treatment, Fresh Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. And this, I have got this before, and this product is like it is a pink mask you have seen all over the internet. Has a new sister, Meet Sand and Skies Fresh Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. So this is not a mask, it's a exfoliating treatment. Before I got the Sand and Clay mask, which is just literally so good. I am in love with that mask, and but this one is a treatment. I don't know how I will like it or not, but this is with the brand signature Australian Pink Clay. This 5-minute treatment resurfaces skin, absorbing excess oil for a super smooth, even tone and mattified complexion. So this product 100 ml retails for $59.99, and this is available at sandandsky.com, and this is just a sample size of 10 gram. So I will try this just because it's by Sand and Sky and their product are like so good. And the second one I can see is this Mellow Cosmetics Precious Liquid Pen Eyeliner. And wow, I needed this pen eyeliner. I just finished my eyeliner, this Rimmel one I was using, but it's just like it's gone. But I am using now that L'Oreal liner, I think pen liner, but this one is by Mellow Cosmetic. Yeah, Precious Pen Eyeliner. Wow, oh my god. And this comes in a box like this. I'm super excited just because I needed this product. It's like packed so well in this cute box, and the product is inside here. Oh wow, looks so good. It's that black and gold design, and ooh, it's so dark. I wanted this product so badly, a pen eyeliner, and I got this in my Bellabox, so I don't have to buy it. And this is a black liner, and this is an essential to any makeup lover's collection. The precise felt tip on this liner makes getting any liner look really simple, and I love using pen liner, like it's very easy and to apply. And the head is at long wearing, but this formula also dries quickly and won't smudge or transfer, which is awesome. And time to master your flicks and wings for those striking eyes for every occasion. So this product retails for $22.50. every price is in Australian dollars, and it's available in mellocosmetics.com.au, and this one is 1.8 gram and it's a full size product. So let's move on, and the next product is this Lochia. I can't pronounce this word, but it's this one. You can see this brand's oil, and it's not a oil, it's a reset serum. I will be trying this from tonight. So it comes in a little bottle like this. It's time for a mid-year shake up with your beauty regime with the Lochia Immortelle Reset. This supercharged, I know I'm not pronouncing this word properly, so please don't mind. I'm not that good in pronouncing this kinds of name. So you can hear the voice in my background. My husband is singing, he's recording his music, so he's singing. And this oil is supercharged oil in serum, which will help your skin recover overnight from your intense everyday life for a reset skin by morning. Bellas get to exclusively try it before the rest of the beauty world. So this, I think this product just came out, and this product 30 ml retails for $90 Australian, and it's available at Lochia stores and iu.lochita.com. I'm no good, I literally can't pronounce this kind of name. I don't know who comes up with these kinds of names. Literally, I can't pronounce it. So this product is just a sample size. I know they will give a sample size, and I will be trying this product. Can't wait to try it. Let's just smell. Oh, it comes in a pump. Oh, it's so it smells. Smells like it's a very expensive product, and it's literally, I think it just soaks into the skin, and wow, my gosh. If I like this product, I will be buying it. So the next product is this Coco and Eve a virgin super nourishing coconut and fig hair mask. So this product looks like this, and this one is Banish One Trick Ponies from any cupboard with Coco and Eve's 5-in-1 miracle treatment for your hair, transforming traces in just 10 minutes. This luxurious mask has taken the beauty world by storm, and enriched with raw virgin coconut and from Bali and fig essence, takes your hair back to where it started, soft, hydrated, and free from damage. And yeah, if you guys haven't seen my review on the cocoalocks chocolate drink, do watch. That product is amazing for if your hair is falling, if your hair is it's drying, it's not growing, try that product. It's literally so good. I'm like, I have been drinking that chocolate drink since 8th of August, and today it's like 22, I think. And like in few days time, like I think a week or so, I will be like reviewing it again. In 30 days I will be like completing the review. Don't worry, this is not my real hair, it's the wig I am wearing. And I have also done a review on this wig, which was sent to me by Eva Hair, and like everything I get from companies. I also buy products, but you know, these companies send me products, so that's good that companies find us and send their products. So we review their products and then we keep the products. So yeah, that's awesome. And this hair was sent to me by Eva Hair, and they have got quite a good amount of wigs there, and like extensions and like lots of hair products. I think I will be leaving it below in the description box so you guys can check it out. So this product is Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask, and I just love to use this kind of product. And this is like 212 ml, retails for $64.90 and available at cocoalocks.com. And this product is just a sample size of 15 ml. I just want to smell this. It smells like that coconut stuff. Oh gosh. Oh, smells so good. And I don't have to apply it on my hand. I have to apply it on my hair, but yeah, I just wanted to smell it. So yeah, it smells really good. And this oil smells so good, so good. I don't know how to explain to you guys, but this oil like smells very good. So the last product is this Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 cleanser mask. Oh gosh, I got a cleanser. I just ran out of my cleanser and I was going to get this like next time I go shopping. So this cleanser is by Neutrogena, and it's a Rapid Clear 2-in-1 cleanser. Use is like it's a cleanser and it's a mask too. So use is a daily cleanser to help prevent breakouts. Wow, I just love it. Just you guys can see this thing is not going from here. So, and use is a 5-minute mask for deep cleansing and extra oil control. So you can just apply it and leave it for 5 minutes, and then you can just scrub and rinse it off. So this product retails for $13.99 at Chemist Warehouse price line, and this is 150 ml. I think you can get it from grocery stores too, like Coles, Woolies. I don't know, LD doesn't sell this product, but I saw this product in Coles. So yeah, and you can get it in drugstore. So I love it. So just because it's a cleanser and it's a mask too, so I just love it. And it's a Rapid Clear Acne Control daily breakout, like it controls your breakouts. So it says about this, reset with clear and healthier skin with Neutrogena cleanser mask. This multitasking wonder can be used as a daily cleanser to help prevent breakouts. 4 is a 5-minute mask for deep cleansing and extra oil control. Wow, I just needed this product. So this was it. And like last product is this Revlon Youth Fill and Blur Primer for face and neck. So this is just a simple primer by Revlon. So So yeah, this was it for today. I hope you guys liked everything I showed here. If you guys are using any of this product, and if you guys have used any of these products, just let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I will be like using this product, and maybe I will be adding it in my favorites video if I like these products. So I have got like quite a lot of favorites for, I think, August. Yeah, the next favorites will be in August, but I don't know when I will be recording, just because I am so behind in my videos. I have to review so many products, and also when I will be going on holidays, I will not be uploading any videos for like couple of weeks, so I want to catch up for that time. So yeah, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and hit that bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And also join me on social media so that you don't miss out on the things I post on my Instagram story and also Snapchat, and also I post things on Facebook page and also like Twitter too. So yeah, if you guys haven't yet already, the links will be below in the description box. And yeah, until next time, bye.